everybody, it's Miss Rachel. I'm a youth advocate with the Women's Center, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a fun family activities jar that you can use whenever you're feeling like maybe you don't know what you can do, and that includes the whole family. So we're going to come up with a list of activities as well as some supplies that you'll need to make this activity jar fun and exciting for your family to use. So for supplies, the first thing that you guys will need is something to put all of your activities in, preferably something with a lid. For my example, I'm going to be using an old tin that used to have ground coffee in it. But if you don't have access to an old tin like this, or maybe even like a mason jar, some other things that you could use are a Tupperware container that maybe has a lid, or if for some reason you don't have something like that as well, just an old cup will work, something that you don't need to use to drink any of your beverages out of. And the other supply that you will need is something to write all of your activities on. So I'm going to use just this plain piece of notebook paper left over from one of my school notebooks, and then just like a pen or a pencil, something that you would like to write your activities down with. So to start making my activity jar, I am going to make a label for my tin. This is completely optional, of course, but I'm just going to cut it down to size and tape it to the tin, trimming the excess off. Next, I have written a list of about 20 activities, and I'm going to cut them out individually. Some of the activities I have chosen to include in my jar are going on a walk, maybe with a nature scavenger hunt to make it a little bit more interesting, writing a letter to someone you love, calling a friend or a family member, building a fort, and games like charades, Simon Says, and some of my favorite board games. Work together with your family to make your own list of activities that you enjoy and maybe some that you'd like to try. After all of my activities are cut, I'm going to fold them in half and put them into my activity jar. Now, congratulations, you have completed your family activity jar. I like to use this with my family at the end of the day or during some free time when we really don't know what we want to do, but we know we want to spend some quality time together. We've already taken the time to come up with a list of things that we can all agree upon doing and we all think would be really fun. So this makes having some family time a little bit more spontaneous and interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing about your family activity jars and how much fun you have with your family. Thank you so much for watching this video put out by the Women's Center. If you have any questions about the content of this video, our services, or how you can seek help, please feel free to reach out to us at our 24-hour hotline. Someone is always there and available to answer your questions. We hope that you are doing well, and until we can see you, stay safe.